Now let's make the shakshuka and make our snack popping to go hand in hand with noodles. Well, you can serve noodles as they are, but you can as well put some flavor on it with something else. Let's do this. Make sure your onions have become golden brown, and then you add your tomatoes which are already peeled, and make them fry till they are a bit mushy or they make a paste. Also, this is the part you add a pinch of salt or the spices you want. Well, I just wanted to do just salt, nothing much, and original spices, and garlic I fried with the onions. So yeah, you can decide. This is the point where you can decide to do all your shenanigans in the kitchen. Shakshuka is not shakshuka without eggs. So this is the part that you add the egg without beating it up, and then you cover it up for the yolks to get well done. The people will love it running, but me, I want it well done. Then you reduce your fire to the slowest or the medium to the less less percentage for it to cook well. Cover it up well for the yolks to get well done, and the fire must be of less percentage, like less power, medium size. It will be looking like a pie or a pizza. So yeah, give it time and be patient. So today's shout out goes to Paul Graves, Loco Mi Amor, because you have always been commenting. Thank you guys for the support. So next time for your shout out, kindly comment on my video, say something, and you'll get a shout out. So that is all for today. Please like, share, subscribe and comment, because that's all I wanted to show you. It's a quick and easy meal or quick and easy snack to make at home for everyone to eat. So yeah.